We're at JDM Sport. Check out the JDM Sport steering wheels. This is a new line of the Neo Chrome color. Really awesome.
What's up, guys? This is Claim over at Firm 400, contributing some content for the YouTube. Just wanted to fill you guys in. I know you guys seen the post on Instagram regarding us doing some YouTube videos going forward in 2018. The first series of videos we'll be doing is working on the Miata build that I have here. It's an NA 1.8. So it's New Year's Eve. I thought I'd come out here and check out the car and start on it and show you guys what's going on with the build. And I was planning to do a Miata Mondays post, hopefully doing it every week so you guys can get filled in on what's going on. But I just wanted to get the car started up so that you guys can see. Let's get it up and running. Sorry guys, I was trying to turn on the camera. But yeah, here is the NA8 1.8 liter Miata I got. Just wanted to share with you guys the engine bay. What I probably need to do now is probably change up the radiator for now, which I'll do soon and show you guys. Next, what I'll probably do is upgrade the suspension with JDM Sports 32-way adjustable coilovers. I'm looking forward to that. Next, what I'll probably do is boost this Miata with the JDM Sport turbo kit, turbocharger. I know this area right here is where the turbo will be sitting. Looks like maybe like a T28 will probably sit nicely where you see right here, and then the manifold obviously right there. For you Miata guys out there, if you have one and you're wondering if your Miata is either 1.6 or 1.8, the easiest way to check is if you look at the cover right here, like mine's right here, if the letters you see right here are raised up, this is a 1.8. If yours is sunken in, if the letters are sunken in, it's a 1.6. So that's the easiest way. But yeah, just make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube at Firm 400. This is the Miata. Stay tuned. Firm 400. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Check out JDM Sport coilovers for a wide variety of applications.